Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. We'll be making sweet potato and plantain. Unripe, we only have two unripe plantain and 6 ripe one. We'll be using spinach. This is seasoning, salt and oil, mushroom and 2 onions. These 4 tomatoes, the kind of pepper 3 and these onions. So stay tuned and see how we do it. I will start from this one. Anyhow you peel yours, anyhow you choose to cut yours, it's just very good. But the most important thing, watch out with your hands so you don't cut your hand as you are peeling. So I will continue peeling it like this till we're done. Ripe plantain actually easy to peel. Yes. The unripe one are the one that are a little bit difficult. So not that really. Okay. Remember, you still wash them before you start boiling. It's already washed. Just take them out of the water and put them in the pot. I will be putting this sweet potato underneath because they are stronger. Salt. Cover. Here. Yes. We start making the sauce now. Mushroom will go first. This is how to know your mushroom already. You will see the juice coming out because you know mushroom cannot really fry. That's how you see it's ready. So we just turn it out with the juice. take it out of the water. I will be adding the tomatoes. Then the tomatoes is almost ready. And I will be adding the pepper. The spring onion. This is the seasonings and the sauce. And I'm putting the next down. Okay. And just check it now. Yeah, salt is equal. And just press as many as I can press out the water. I think if you are vegetarian, you can use this one for swallow. Or maybe you can use for rice or anything. For me, I can use it for rice. No meat, no fish. Just like this. You can use it for rice, you can use this for swallow too. And I also can use it for yam. But today, I'm using it for plantain and sweet potato. 2 minutes after I put the spinach, I will just remove this because I want the spinach to remain green. You can see. This is really tastes natural. Tastes so good. This is the unripe plantain. Unripe plantain is usually too full. You take small, you chewing it, your mouth will be full. I do not need meat or fish because everything I can get inside this one is okay for this afternoon. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. Share, help us like and subscribe, please. Try something new, not regular or as usual. Just try something new. So this is what I'm doing now. Try something new. It tastes good, Shao. It tastes good. Very good. Thank you. Bye.